Today I'll be preparing Ayam... Today I'm going to prepare Ayam Lemak Chilli. It's a dish that you commonly find at nasi padang stalls, and I love preparing it because it's one dish that goes very well with rice. So as a mom of 3, really not much time to prepare multiple dishes. This will be a great dish to prepare for your family. To start, I'll use a pot to brown the chicken first. I'm using drumsticks today. So with drumsticks, usually there are chicken skin on it. So just about 1 teaspoon of oil. Heat up the pan to relatively high heat because you want to brown the chicken thoroughly. You can hear the sizzle. So you want to brown the chicken to seal in the juices and also to, I think it gives a bit of crunch to the chicken as well. The chicken is brown. I will switch off the fire and remove the chicken first. So for those who are more health conscious and they don't want to use any oil, it's also completely fine. Just a dry pan and put your chicken in to fry. Now we're going to prepare the rempah. In the blender, I'm going to put in about 10 shallots, 7 to 8 garlic. In here, I'm also going to put in green chili, about 6 of it. Depending if you want it more spicy, please add more. And also a thumb-sized tumeric. Then here we're going to add in some water, blend it down. That's the rempah. With the same pan that we used to fry the chicken earlier, I've added in a little bit of oil to start frying the rempah. You want to fry down the rempah until you can see that it turns slightly brownish. So in here, I will also add in the lemongrass that I've also bruised so that it can release more of the lemongrass flavor. So you can see that the rempah color has kind of darkened a little already. So the reason why I added water when I was blending up the ingredients is because as you're frying it, it will continuously release the moisture and it actually helps prevent the rempah from burning as well. If you see that rempah has dried up a little, you can start adding the chicken back in. So here, I'm going to add in some fish sauce, about 1 tablespoon, a little bit, about 1 teaspoon of sugar as well. Kaffir lime leaves. Chicken has been stewing for a while. Let's check on it. Now I'm going to add in the coconut milk, 150 to 200 ml. So I'm going to simmer this for another 10-15 minutes on medium to low heat. So if you want the chicken to be more tender, I would suggest that you boil it down a little bit more, maybe up to an hour. But it's really up to your liking how tender you want your chicken to be. But for me, this is done and I'm going to serve it up. Here you go, Ayam Lemak Chilli. This will go great with a bowl of rice. Enjoy!